Hello there and welcome back to one more video of our series English to Speak English. My name is Marcelo Dutra and it's a pleasure to be here. And today we're going to talk about cognitive flexibility. Cognitive flexibility, something so important nowadays, considered by many to be one of the most necessary abilities in the 21st century. If you do not know what cognitive flexibility is, this is the video for you, and if you do know, maybe this video can help you out, just giving you a little bit more of this topic, and we're going to talk a little bit more about this topic so that you can improve yourself, improving your life, okay? Remember, if you are watching this video, remember to please share with your friends, okay? And make sure you like it and give me a comment, send me a comment so that I can understand that this is actually helping you out. It's great to record these videos to you, but I would like to know if I'm actually helping you in your transformation somehow, helping you with your language, helping you in your self-development. I don't know, but it would be nice to know from you. So please send me a comment, let me know, and I'll be very happy to hear from you, okay? All right, cognitive flexibility, what is that, Marcelo? Well, it's pretty obvious, to be honest. Cognitive means thinking, right? So you have to have, to be able, to be capable of to be flexible with your thoughts. And yeah, that's right. We have to be more flexible with what we think, okay? This is extremely necessary nowadays. And why is that? Because the world is constantly changing. Things are changing, and they are changing much, much faster than before. And because of that, we need to be able to adapt ourselves faster as well. Otherwise, we are not able to follow, right? And we are left behind. So it's important, especially for the businesses. Companies nowadays are looking for people who have this ability, this cognitive flexibility. So if a problem comes towards you, like right now, we're living through coronavirus. If you are in the world, so you're feeling it, I'm sure. But coronavirus came to you and you were not able to adapt, you were not able to use whatever coronavirus brought you in your favor so that you can enjoy yourself, so that you can evolve. That is a problem. So what companies, what industries, what businesses are looking for is people who are able to adapt, people who are able to use whatever comes their way in order to solve problems and not create more problems. Understand? And for that, you need cognitive flexibility. You need to be flexible in your thoughts. If you are not flexible in your thoughts, and if you are very rigid, you are not going to go anywhere. I remember once when I was giving a lecture, and I used a pen to talk about this topic. And I said, look, the pen on the outside is extremely rigid, right? But if you put a little bit of force, it breaks. However, what's inside, where the ink goes, that is extremely flexible. You can bend it, no problem. It's extremely flexible. If you understand this, this metaphor, you understand that if we are too rigid, we will break, okay? We will destroy ourselves. And that is not going to help us. But instead, we should be as flexible as the ink that it's inside there, that moves around. I have mentioned this before, and I'll say it again. Bruce Lee used to say that we were to be like water, because water can adapt. Water can be a cup if you put it in the cup. Water can be water can be a glass if you put it in a glass. Water can be in a teacup if you put it in a teacup. Water can not only help us when we are thirsty and be some sort of a way to feel better, but also water can crush Okay, so it's important to understand this, right? Because water has the power of refreshment, but at the same time, it's got a power to destroy. So it's a matter of how you use water, right? And it's a matter of how you use your thoughts as well. Remember that your thoughts will produce emotions inside you, that will produce actions, that will deliver to results. If you want better results, you need to change your thoughts. Cognitive flexibility will help you with that. Make sure you understand it, make sure you study about it, but for you to study about it, you have to study yourself. You have to change who you are. You have to ask who you are and understand truly who you truly deep inside, who are you? Do you know, if I ask you this question right now, do you know who you truly are? Do you really? Or if I ask you who are you, you're going to tell me your name, your ID, and where you are from, etc. You have to understand who you truly are deep inside. In that way, you can actually change the behavior that you have on the outside. It all comes from within, okay? All comes from within. And for that, cognitive flexibility, remember, it's going to help you out solving your problems in life. So today's, this is it. I hope you have liked it. My name is Marcelo Dutra. It was great to be here, and I see you tomorrow again with one more video in our series English to Speak English. Take care and bye-bye.